The AirPods Pro 2 have appeared with an impressive feat, coming with all new features without an increase in the price from the original 2019 AirPods Pro 2. With a new chip powering things along, we are treated to far greater sonic performance and excellent noise cancellation as well as improved battery life. While they are not going to be perfect for Android users and they do cost a pretty penny, we were constantly absorbed by the sonic performance on offer here. It's a hugely worthwhile upgrade from Apple. Let's get on to the good stuff, shall we? How the AirPods Pro 2 actually sound. Short answer, phenomenal. Long answer, despite the fact Apple decided to not make the AirPods Pro 2 capable of lossless audio, even though its own Apple Music platform supports it really heavily. The sound quality is so good that we just found ourselves wanting to put them on to drift off into a beautiful sonic world. It's hard to put into words how a pair of headphones can bring joy because it's about how they enable a connection with the music that wasn't there before. The way that the AirPods Pro 2 do this is a combination of factors: a clear ability to separate out different elements in the music, a strong ability to reproduce bass, a crispness in voice spatially, and all combined with excellent spatial audio playback and mind-blowing noise cancellation. It makes it even more maddening that lossless audio isn't supported here, as you feel that there could be even more to come from them. But if that's the cost of keeping the price the same as in 2019, we guess we can stomach it. Let's pause a moment on the noise cancelling qualities of these headphones, as it's genuinely amazing for a pair of earbuds and up there with anything we have ever experienced. Sure, it's not got a gradient of cancellation. Some earbuds allow you to set the level of noise cancelling depending on your situation, but you will find it hard to care while switching it on. We have been using noise cancelling products for nearly 20 years now. When headphones came with a massive extra microphone block to achieve that feat, we're currently doing this review in a noisy cafe, for instance, and hold one of the stems to activate noise cancellation. The world goes quiet and you instantly enter a soft, comfortable studio where it's just you and your music. The effect is stark and worth the cost of the headphones alone. The AirPods Pro 2 will cancel out wind, train sounds, and easily destroy the noise of an air conditioning unit or fan in the background. This is all possible thanks to the H2 chip that's been unveiled with the Pro 2, and it's such a good upgrade. If you combine this with some Dolby Atmos enabled sound on Apple Music or Tidal, you will find yourself seeking out the AirPods Pro 2 as an activity rather than just having them as a soundtrack to a commute or a walk. That's the power of music, and Apple's brought that closer here. Apple has increased the battery life of the AirPods Pro 2 to manage 6 hours of using on a single charge with noise cancelling enabled, and that's what we found in our testing too. However, we mostly had them in noise cancelling mode with head tracking and spatial audio enabled to get the full experience, and Apple thinks this should last closer to 5 hours. That seems a tiny bit generous, with a single hour's listening dropping the battery life by about 25%. But in our view, it's more about the ability of the case to charge the headphones, as nobody is going to listen for 4 hours in a row regularly. The AirPods Pro 2 case is now able to hold 30 hours charge or 5 recharges of the AirPods, but again we found this a bit generous. Don't get us wrong, we rarely had an issue where both the AirPods and the case was out of juice, but we estimate you will need to top it up once a week easily, and there are plenty of true wireless earbuds out there which can last longer. You can pop the AirPods Pro 2 into the case when completely dead, and 5 minutes later you will be good to go for about an hour. That's a useful touch. When you do need to charge though, the aforementioned methods of reducing are good. There is a novelty of using Apple Watch charger to charge up the AirPods Pro 2 case, the lightning port at the bottom. You can slot them onto an iPhone MagSafe charger or just plonk the case on a Qi enabled charging pad. Basically, invest in a couple of charging pads for home and work and you will likely never run out of charge again. So, if you want great sound, the AirPods Pro 2 sound brilliant and shout out the real world so well. If you want to treat yourself, then you will really appreciate it. It's a little on the safe and stable side, but still an enjoyable experience. And if you have got all manner of Apple things like iPad, Apple TV, or Apple Watch or similar, then you will really get the benefit of these headphones with the seamless switching. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed, and check the description box below to get this product at best rate.